So this is a test run to use what's called the Screeno-matic. It's a app and a website that you can get. So once you go into the website, you have to install the actual app itself into your computer, which is pretty easy. And once you've done that, you're ready to go. So when you start out, you have an option for a window that pops up that looks exactly like this. It gives you the ability to crop the size of your video that or rather crop the size of your screen that you want to use or you don't want to use if you so choose to. I just hit simply record and then I just left it like that. So if you see right here, here are your different functions that you have. You can have the screen, you can have a webcam that just shows you, or you can do a hybrid and have both, which is pretty neat. Because the free version, though, you only have up to a max of 15 minutes, as you can see right here. You'd have the option to do so. It'll give you the option to upgrade to premium. Gives you the file size, how you want to do it, and gives you what's called a narration. Tells you how well it can hear your audio, the different type of mic that you want to use, that kind of thing. And it has a couple of different other options, which are really neat. So here you can kind of see what I'm looking at as well, since you do have the ability to look at my window. So here's JNAB popped up, and then you have the assignment that we're currently working on. And then of course you have the website itself, and then I popped up a YouTube. So this is a bit of a feed that's on my YouTube right now. So and you can, if you want to, pull up feed for, or you can pull up anything from YouTube and it'll record the audio as well, which is fairly neat. So, whatever the heck you want, it can do. Anywho, that's about all I wanted to show you, and hope that y'all enjoyed. Take care.